This is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today I wanted to talk about a video that I saw, and it seemed like the viewers were very skeptical about this inside information news about NIO with the Volkswagen plant, and I decided to check on it for myself. And this seems like it's old news. He's talking about it currently. I'm not going to say who. You guys probably already know. But this is written in September 19th of 2024. And this video just popped up, I believe, in the last 8 hours. Some people are even skeptical, saying that this dude is getting his, this YouTuber is getting his inside information, this so-called inside information, from one of the janitors at the NIO house. And they actually seem like they're getting tired of these kind of like rumor videos. That it's something that they're not really liking. So I kind of wanted to see if we could debunk it and see if there's any truth to it. So NIO eyes buying Volkswagen plant. He won't even mention the name. He just said the V word, starts with a V. I don't know why he's acting like it's so secret. It's all over the internet. Eyes buying Volkswagen plant and historic market shakeup. Like I said, this is back in September of this year. China's NIO is considering buying Volkswagen's Audi plant in Brussels. Volkswagen's plant is at risk of being shut down, and NIO wants to take advantage as the market shifts to EVs. First, he was talking about Audi. Good luck with that. NIO in talks to buy Volkswagen Brussels plant. Volkswagen may close its first plant in Germany ever. Its Audi Brussels factory is also at risk. The last time the company was closed, the facility was back in 1988 in Westmoreland, Pennsylvania. However, Volkswagen is facing an overcapacity crisis amid sluggish EV sales and slew of new, competitively priced electric cars from China. So it seemed like EVs are just flooding the market, oversaturating. So I don't know how NIO expects to become profitable. But CEO Oliver Bloom warned that Germany's competitive advantage is at risk as the industry shifts to electric vehicles. Volkswagen has already canceled plans for a new EV facility and delayed key model launches as it falls further behind Chinese automakers. According to a Belgian media report, China's NIO is in talks to buy Volkswagen's plant in Brussels. The report from Tij, something like that, claims NIO representatives recently visited the plant and are working on a bid. NIO needs to submit his offer to VW by next Monday at the latest. Keep in mind, like I said, this is back in September. He's barely talking about this. Volkswagen plans to stop building cars at the facility after the last Audi Q8 e-tron rolls off the production line next year. If the plant closes, nearly 3,000 workers will lose their jobs. NIO already sells vehicles in Germany, Norway, Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark, although it doesn't sell cars in Belgium yet. NIO plans to launch there soon. So this is probably one of the areas they were talking about earlier, where the janitor's hiding in there, giving out all this top secret information. Although NIO faces an additional 20.8% tariff on imports to the EU, the Chinese EV maker is committed to expanding in the region. Electric's take. NIO buying out Volkswagen's Brussels plant would be symbolic of the market shifts to EVs. European automakers, including VW, are facing stiff competition in China. Even with tariffs, several Chinese EVs are expected to still be cheaper than their European rivals. Although NIO is also known for its smart electric vehicles, it's launching a new lower-cost model. Its new electric SUV, the Envoy L60, is widely viewed as a true Tesla Model Y challenger. Starting at around $30,000 in China, NIO's new electric SUV undercuts the Model Y by about $4,000 or 30,000 yuan. NIO plans to launch competitively priced electric SUV globally later this year. Next year, the company will follow up with this new Firefly EV, which I was talking about in my previous videos. They're possibly going to be using hybrids overseas, which will launch in Europe for under $32,000. Meanwhile, Volkswagen's struggles are not limited to Europe. The company is also facing a plant closure in China and its joint venture partner SAIC. So that's all I found on this particular subject. I have not had the good fortune to be able to speak to the janitor at the NIO house, so I can't get all of his other great inside information, unfortunately. But somebody's trying to call me here. I'm going to decline the phone call. Okay, let's just take a look at NIO's price today and see where we're sitting at. Alright, so we're currently sitting at 509. It's been really flat. Well, sort of. Let's see. 523. This is on the 5-day chart. 530. Went down under $5. That I was not aware of. And then it's back. It seems to be hitting a resistance of about 536. See if we can get past that. And it doesn't look like it's so far. So the low was 502. The high was 520. Oh, that's for, I guess, let's see. That's for the day chart. So, I don't know. Just keep buying up that stock. If you guys are interested in getting 3 free shares of NIO stock, comment down below with your Cash App name, and you will automatically be entered in the drawing. That's right. You get 3 free shares of whatever the current price may be at the moment. That's how much you will receive on your Cash App, so you can buy 3 shares of NIO, or you can do whatever you want with it. But it's an easy way. Leave the comment. Like I said, use your Cash App name and get a chance to win some free NIO. It's always a good thing, right? So that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go have a talk with the janitor at the NIO house and see if he's got any more deep inside information for us. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck on the contests for your NIO stocks, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.